Could you use a few extra dollars? I know you could. That's why I'm sending you this quick video to tell you how to make some easy money with a company called Rakuten, formerly known as Ebates. Now, I was introduced to Ebates years and years ago. During that time, the system was complicated, so I didn't give it much thought. Here recently, my coworker asked me if I was familiar with Rakuten, told me it was Ebates, and I'm like, yeah. So I created a new account, did some shopping, and voila, they put money back into my account. So I wanted to tell as many people as possible because I know times are hard. Rakuten is a legit company. They give you cash back and coupons for using their mobile app or the website when you want to shop at over 2,000 stores, like the ones you see on your screen, like Nike, Walmart, Lowe's, eBay, and more. Now, obviously, the smaller stores, they're going to give you a larger percentage cash back or savings. So that's a given. All you have to do to get started is click on the referral link I sent you, create an account using your email or your social media account. I suggest your email. Then, when you want to go shopping, you use Rakuten app or the website. Click on the logo of the store that you want to use and shop as you normally do. When you get finished, they'll give you a percentage back. When you do this, we'll both get paid after you make your first $25 purchase. Easy and simple. You can get paid via PayPal, direct deposit, or physical check in the mail. Now, in order for this to work, you have to log in from the Rakuten mobile app or website, find the logo of your favorite store, shop like you normally do, and then we'll both get paid. Feel free to share this app with your friends using your referral link, and then you'll both get paid. All right, talk to you soon. Let's get this money.